I would like to share with you about lights, specifically LED lights. Folks say that they glare too much or something else like that. Well, let's take this example right here. So this is 4-chip LED. If you see, these are the actual chips. They are positioned equally. Length from the base right here is equal on every side. So 4 sides, everything's equally. You see? Chips are kind of big. Well, I would say average size. They not such a crazy advanced technology. These are some type of cob chip. I don't remember exactly what it is. So this example right here is H11 LED conversion kit that I'm looking at. This right here, incandescent H11 Philips. You see this spiral right here. It's not covered by any shields or anything like that, because when you put this inside the headlight of a car, well, you can also put it in a lot of fog lights, but right now I want to refer to headlights all the time. Doesn't matter how you put it, how it's positioning inside the headlight, it's still going to hit the reflector basically all the way around. And from reflector, the light is going to go forward and on the road. That's how it's supposed to be. Now, the reason why this spiral is positioned in here, it matters which distance from the base it's positioned, because this is where major source of your light comes from into reflector, and that's how reflector is built to shoot the light on the road. LED is supposed to be the same way. These chips, when they produce the light, they have to hit a reflector in the same position. Let's try to compare these. Here we have a comparison. I put them together. Base is on the same level. Alright, this is to be more, let's put it like this. Try to be as accurate as possible. No, like this. Yeah. You see the chip and the spiral is the same length from the base. This is very important because some cheaper LED conversions where manufacturers just basically stick these chips on, put stuff on basically any hardware and call it LED conversion. They will fit on any car. It will be very bright and perfect. These chips can be a little bit here, a little bit here, depending on what kind of conversion size it is and model. And it's gonna be giving you too much glare, blinding oncoming traffic, and not really doing such a great job on the road where you really need it. So this is one of the examples. H8, H11. Well, in our situation, it was H11. Now let me take another example. Example would be 9006, 9005. We have 9005 incandescent bulb. And just for the reference, I'm using good brands. Sylvania, Philips, Osram. And we take this one right here. Same manufactured LED conversion kit. Let's compare these two. Let's do it like this. I have a line base and seal. Yeah, same distance. I had a doubt for a second actually, but it's the same distance from the base to the spiral and to the chip. Now another question would be, how bright are these? Well, that's a good question too. Manufacturer says that they produce about 4,000 lumens. I don't know if they mean 1,000 lumens per chip or 4,000 lumens the whole kit. How do they measure it? I have no clue. But let's do simple test. by putting my meter, just pulling it out and putting it next to these chips and see what's going on. Let's get our light source first. It's a 12-volt battery. Okay, this is our voltmeter. Now, let's see how many volts does it give out. Gives out 13 volt. That's fine. 13 volt, that's what you need. That's what an average you get from a car. You get it between 12.5, just the car on, to about 14, sometimes 14.203 when the car is running. So this is perfect. Again, 13. Okay, so we have this LED conversion bulb connected. I know my eye is gonna hate me for this, but let's test it. See, everything works. The light meter on. Turn it on. See, it works. It shows me lux from the lamp right here. It's connected. Now, let's put this on the light meter. This is surprising. Well, I don't know how accurate this thing is, but oh boy, this was bright. I don't know. You make your own conclusion to what is what. If you want to put these in the car, put the car against the wall like I did in a couple of my other videos with the car, then I think that would be the best test you can get. Or take it to a professional shop that has professional equipment where they can put your car against the wall, where they can measure lux against the wall and measure the distance and basically every side, every point where the light falls on the wall to see the result and compare it to these. Then you can bash me all you want after. I will take it.